Come on, Tanner. We're going to dump the potatoes. Welcome to Digging with Deej. The potatoes are dying back, so it's time to dump the containers and see how we did. This one had all of them had 3 bulbs in them, or potatoes with eyes that I planted. So we'll see how they did. This was kind of an experiment. And right next to me is my compost pile, which is very small, but it'll get bigger once I dump these potatoes. There's that. Put my gloves on. So this one had the least amount of growth, plant growth on top. So I'm guessing this particular pot didn't do very good. There's one. Put them there. Put them there. 2 little baby ones so far. 3. There's a little baby white one. I must have mixed the 2 varieties. That one did not do good. And somehow a cucumber plant got in there. Okay. So we're going to sprinkle this all over the compost pile. The only time I don't put a plant in the compost pile is if it was diseased. I'll put it on the burn pile. Okay, so that wasn't very good. Not very good at all. Okay. So I'm gonna clean this out a little bit. And we're gonna put the potatoes in this so they don't get lost. Okay, this one has 2 plants in it. Okay. Ooh, I see one. There's one. Oh, I see another one. 2. Now these are supposed to be the small kind of potatoes. They're not regular sized potatoes. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Look at that. This one did better. Yeah, Tanner. Getting more potatoes out of this one. Move over there. Over there. Move. Okay. Okay. Throw the plant over there. Got another one. So far, this one's definitely doing better. Watch for any potatoes, little ones that might pop up. Now, when you're building a compost pile, you don't put any meat or grease into it. It's only plant-based. Okay. So that one did pretty darn good. We're getting better. So there's one, there's two. Okay, here comes number 3. And we have 3 plants in this one maybe. Or 2. Not sure which. Okay. Woohoo. There's one. There's another one. There's another one. Nothing else on those roots. Oh, there's another one. There's a baby teeny tiny one. Oh, there's another one. Another one. That's all out of that one. Okay, here comes the last one. Doesn't look like too good of a harvest, but I had to try it. And there's little cucamelons growing in that too. So the cucamelon seeds are so tiny they can just blow away. Okay, there's 2 good sized ones right off the bat. This one had 3 plants in it. That doesn't always mean anything. Baby one. Another one. Another one. Another one. That one's a little redder. Disappointing. 3 plants in it and they didn't do very good. So, I would say I need to plant the plants in the ground next time. Plant the seed potatoes in the ground next time because we didn't get a very good. I mean, granted, we got 2/3 more than what I put in the ground. That's it. So that's the way it goes sometimes, you know. Can't be hard on yourself just because something didn't grow well, you know. May not be the right growing conditions for it, or it doesn't like to be confined to pots, like this case. You know, you gotta try different things, see, you know, experiment, see what'll work for you. Lord knows they got watered well, so, and they weren't watered so much that they got rot. There's no rot there. Not a single potato was rotted. So, what I'll do is I'll spread these out on my patio table and let them dry. And once the skin's dry, they won't be so delicate, and then I can put them down in my basement. Someplace cool and dark. We still got some potatoes. That's better than none at all. So, thank you for watching. I enjoy reading your comments and replying to them. And this Friday we will have another bottle digging video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.